Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you two simple ways to use fenugreek seeds for hair growth and soft, silky, smooth hair. So to begin with, first we need to soak our fenugreek seeds. So here I'm adding room temperature water with some fenugreek seeds, and I'm gonna let it get soaked for at least 24 hours. So keep them aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the seeds will double up in size like so, and the water will turn completely yellow. Next, we need to separate the water from the seeds and store the water in a container. We are gonna use the water later. So here you can see the water has turned completely yellow. Store it in a bottle or in any container. You can also store the water in your refrigerator for up to 6-7 days. And here I have transferred the seeds into my grinder, and I have added one whole egg with the seeds and turned it into a smooth paste like this. Now I'm gonna apply this paste all over my scalp and my hair. Then I will leave the paste on for 2 hours, and then I will wash it off with my shampoo and conditioner. And while applying the mask, I will highly recommend you to stand in front of a sink or in your washroom because the mask turns super slippery. So after my hair is all nice and clean and dry, I'm gonna apply the fenugreek soaked water on my scalp. So the water is for hair growth and it is for your scalp only, and you can use it whenever you feel like it. There is absolutely no need to wash your scalp or your hair right after you apply the fenugreek soaked water. So you can just store it in your refrigerator for at least 6 to 7 days, and you can use it whenever you feel like it. And the mask is for mainly for the scalp and the length, and it is for making your hair soft and smooth. Fenugreek contains folic acid, vitamin A, C, K, and minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron. It is also rich in nicotinic acid, which is known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff. Fenugreek is also rich in lecithin, which is known to make our hair healthy and shiny. So lecithin is the substance that turns the water yellow and the fenugreek seeds slippery to touch. So lecithin improves the structural quality of our hair and the natural protective coating on our hair, and it also makes our hair silky to touch. So for hair growth, continue using the fenugreek water on your scalp, and definitely try the hair mask because it made my hair super soft and healthy. If you don't want to use egg, you can also use curd, but I would recommend to use egg in the hair mask. So that was it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used fenugreek before, and if you are gonna use the fenugreek water and the hair mask after watching this video. So that's it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.